Have you ever felt like your age worked against you? Then you're not alone. So in today's video, we are going to explore why your CV might be rejected because of your age and how can you be able to improve your CV so that you can be able to land your dream job. So first, let's define age discrimination. This occurs when an employer treats a candidate unfavorably because of their age, and they may unconsciously associate your age with outdated skills or even lower adaptability. So having a lengthy work experience can suggest you're older, and this might raise a red flag. Another thing that may also signal that you are older or may make you not be, or your CV rejected because of your age, is when you've used outdated skills or even technologies that were used before. This may show that you're not up to date. Another thing that also may signal that you're older is also using phrases like seasoned professional can unintentionally reveal your age. So it is important to watch out on these signals that may, reveal your age. So I'm going to take you through some of the strategies to combat age in your CV. Number one, focus on relevance. Highlight your relevant work experience instead of listing all your work experience or all the jobs that you have handled. Number two, show continuous learning. You can include maybe recent courses or certifications that you have undertaken. This will at least show that you are up to date. Number three, modern format. Use clean and contemporary CV format and emphasize on your skills and achievements as well. Number four is networking. Building professional networking can help you bypass age bias in your CV. You can use LinkedIn as one of the networking platforms where you can connect with people from your field, and it's also a good platform where you can be able to showcase your skills and also your expertise. Remember that age is just a number, so you have to stay positive and proactive in your job search. Ensure that your CV focuses on the relevant information, use modern format, and also at least show continuous learning in your CV. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And for more tips on how to tailor your CV, how to customize your CV, how to make your CV stand out, you can reach us through the link below and we'll be able to provide more information. Till next time, bye-bye.